Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Go tools and libraries. Tools and libraries are vital in Go development for enhancing efficiency and performance. They offer added functionalities and utilities to streamline the coding process. An example is the Gin web framework, simplifying web development in Go with features like routing and middleware. By seamlessly integrating into the Go environment, these tools and libraries empower developers to create robust applications efficiently. Go tools are essential command-line utilities in Go programming for tasks like code formatting, testing, profiling, and dependency management. A few widely used Go tools are Go FMT for code formatting, Go Test for running tests, Go Run for compiling and executing code, and Go Mod for handling dependencies. These tools streamline development processes and enhance code quality in Go projects. Go libraries are pre-written sets of code that can be imported into Go programs to extend their capabilities. They facilitate the reuse of common functionalities, reducing development time and effort. For instance, the FMT library is used for formatting output, while NetHTTP aids in handling HTTP requests. Furthermore, the database SQL library simplifies interaction with databases, and OS streamlines working with the operating system. By leveraging these libraries, developers can enhance the functionality of their applications without reinventing the wheel. When printing output in Go, you can use the FMT library. This library provides functions for formatting text. In the provided Go code snippet, the FMT package is imported, and the println function is used to print Hello World to the console. This is equivalent to the following Python code snippet. Python code snippet print Hello World. In both cases, the output Hello World is displayed on the screen. Using Go tools and libraries is like having a fully equipped toolbox for a DIY project. Just as you would use a screwdriver or hammer to efficiently complete a task, you can use Go tools and libraries to streamline your programming work. These tools and libraries provide pre-built solutions that save you time and effort, much like using a power tool instead of manually screwing in each screw. By leveraging Go tools and libraries, you can focus on the bigger picture of your program instead of getting bogged down in the nitty-gritty details. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet demonstrates the utilization of the Gin library, a popular Go web framework, to create a basic HTTP server. The Gin Gonic/Gin library is imported to access the functionalities of the Gin framework. The main function initializes a Gin router using gin.default method. A getRoute/ is defined, which responds with a JSON message. The gin.logger middleware is added to log each incoming request. The server is started on port 8080 using router.run 8080. Error handling is implemented to print any server startup failures. By employing Gin, the code efficiently sets up an HTTP server without the need to handle low-level HTTP details. Gin provides a high-level abstraction that simplifies routing, middleware management, and request handling, making web development in Go more productive and straightforward. Real-world application. This code snippet can be used as a starting point for developing lightweight web services or APIs in Go. By leveraging Gin's features, developers can quickly create robust web applications with minimal boilerplate code, focusing more on business logic implementation rather than server setup. Across the globe, many industries leverage the power of Go tools and libraries to enhance their software development processes. One such application can be seen in the realm of cloud computing. Companies that deal with large-scale cloud infrastructure often use tools like Terraform, a popular Go-based infrastructure as code software. Terraform allows developers to define their infrastructure in code, making it easier to manage and scale complex cloud environments efficiently. Furthermore, in the finance sector, Go tools and libraries play a crucial role in developing high-performance, reliable financial applications. For instance, Companies handling financial data may utilize the Gorilla WebSocket library to establish real-time connections for data streaming and trading platforms. With Go's robust concurrency support and efficient networking capabilities, financial institutions can build scalable and secure applications that meet their stringent performance requirements. In conclusion, Go tools and libraries are not only beneficial for web development, but also find extensive applications across various industries such as cloud computing and finance. By leveraging the capabilities of Go libraries, businesses can enhance their productivity, reliability, and performance in developing cutting-edge software solutions. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.